So we got ourselves the existence of the Z Flip Fan Edition. Almost a Z Flip 7 Fan Edition, but it's kind of on the fence. We don't really know what they're going to end up calling it. Maybe they call it the Z Flip 6 Fan Edition, Flip 7 Fan Edition, or they just call it the Fan Edition in general. Who knows? Usually Samsung likes to put a number before it, but it is the first gen of this Fan Edition, so anything is really out there. Anything is possible at this moment in time. With that being said, though, this is what we got. We got 3 different iterations of flippable cell phones posted. One is the Z Flip 6, okay? We already know that phone. You might have that phone. Z Flip 7 is the second one. And then the third one is either the Z Flip 8 or the Fan Edition. Could be a Z Flip 8, but reality-wise, I mean, that's, what, a year and a half away, and it doesn't make logical sense. I mean, Samsung could just be going crazy, but I just don't really think that that's how that is going to be structured. But who knows? Many people also feel the way I feel. So the Teased existence is of a phone called the SM F761, which is a flippable cell phone, but we don't have the information, anything else about that cell phone. All we have is literally just the name, which again, could be the Z Flip 8. So take everything I say here with a grain of salt. Take all this information with a grain of salt, because at the end of the day, this could all be a nothing burger. It's just Samsung usually doesn't like release the names this early on. So I think we can all assume this is going to be the Z Flip Fan Edition, which I'll be excited to see what the price tag of this ends up being. Most likely in the price tag range of like $500-$600, I would assume, because all they're going to do is take the Z Flip 6 and just remake it, pretty much use the same exact shell, use almost everything the same, except take a couple key components that people are going to love from the Z Flip 7 and put it into that. So they're really just going to remake or reuse the shells of Z Flip 6. So I don't think this is going to be a very expensive phone. Usually the Fan Editions are the inexpensive variants. Usually they take the top of the flagship, the things that people love from the flagship phones, make it cheaper body, cheaper this, cheaper that, and then put in the stuff that people love. So hopefully we're talking about a $500-$600 phone so that they can actually start competing with Motorola, and we're not finding ourselves, you know, $1,000 only. So that's a fun fact here, and hopefully this ends up being exactly what we think it is. But at the end of the day, we really don't know. You know, we're just speculating based on the fact that there's 3 different cell phones coming out this year in a flippable concept. Well, I guess technically one of them already came out. The other 2 are coming out. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one. Peace.